Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review Myshaker 1 gallon water bottle. This sturdy large capacity water bottle is 1 gallon, and it corresponds to daily water intake. Whether you are at home or go out, this water jug can meet your daily water requirements without refill. Do not worry about lacking of water. This 1 gallon water bottle has simple motivational quotes and time markers, which can help remind you to stay hydrated by knowing what time and how much you drink. Wherever you are, whatever you do, whenever it is, you can keep hydrated easily. The large diameter mouth is 3.5 inch, and it is wide enough to be convenient to fill any fruits or ice cubes even directly from the ice machine, and you can put your hand into the bottle to wash it. Made of highest quality food grade approved, 100% recycle food grade material and safe for drinking. It can keep you away from any hazardous. This water jug is reusable, recyclable, and saves the environment from lots of single-use plastic bottle waste. Designed with handle and strap for easy carrying and easy to pour water out. It's super handy with a sturdy and strong handle grips. The convenient built-in handle allows for easy water transportation, perfect for taking to football practice, baseball games, and other activities on hot summer days.